Blocking someone on Monster 2025 can help you manage your interactions and maintain a positive experience. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Monster 2025 account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are on the main dashboard. Step 2. Locate the user. Navigate to the profile of the person you wish to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your connections or messages. Step 3. Access the options menu. Once on the user's profile, look for an options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a Get icon, typically located near their profile picture or username. Step 4. Select Block User. In the options menu, find and select the Block User option. This action will prevent the user from contacting you or viewing your profile. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block the user. Confirm your decision to finalize the blocking process. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Monster 2025 and enhance your online experience. If you need further assistance, consider checking the help section of the platform.